Hi guys, I'm Joey from TP-Link Australia product team. Today we're back with a quick video on the new outdoor camera, the Tapo C310. The Tapo C310 has a 3 megapixel camera, in other words it's ultra high definition. The night vision provides a crystal clear image up to 30 meters. Some of the features of the Tapo C310 include two-way audio communication, sound and light alarm to frighten intruders, and IP65 rating. When capturing video footage, you see exactly what's happening, even in complete darkness. You can connect the camera via Ethernet or Wi-Fi to your network, so the installation options are flexible. AC power is still required. It includes the mounting screws, mounting template, warranty card, waterproof housings, and AC power. Tapo cameras are super easy to install. Just download the Tapo app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Follow the in-app instructions and you'll be up and running in minutes. Thanks for watching the video. If you have any questions or feedback, please let us know in the comments section below.